Hello, so we have Air Defense by Fennerbrand Fireworks here. It is a 100-shot crackling comet style cake here. I got it for about $10 in my local Fennerbrand Fireworks near me, so I thought that was pretty alright and decided to get it for my channel to demo it off for you guys to enjoy. I know most of you guys are probably familiar with this item already, but I have actually never shot off myself, so through this demo, it will be my very first time in my entire life, so I'm definitely excited, guys. I'm gonna start off with here. This cake does have some good weight to it for what it is. It's pretty weighty, so it's pretty promising. The effects are written in plain language, in plain sight, for you guys to see. Very easy to spot that one. QR codes on the side here, as well as the fuse. So overall, I think the outer design, visually speaking, is well done. Simple, but good. And yeah, there you guys have it, guys. Air Defense by Fennerbrand Fireworks. Yeah, let's check out what it does, how it performs. Air Defense by Phantom Fireworks. So that was worth $10. That was a pretty long time. Wow. Oh, that's smoke over there too. Oh, that's smoke. Guys, look at the smoke here. Look at the smoke. Look at the smoke. It's not fog, it's smoke. See? It's clear. Smoke here. Look at that smoke. Wow. Alright, so I'm here to clean up my item here. And I noticed this little guy here. I did not expect to see that here in this parking lot. In fact, I could have stepped on it because it's so dark here and I can't really see the ground. It's only when I turned on my flashlight I saw this guy. Yeah. That's amazing. Wow. And also what I like about this cake is that the cleanup is quite easy. Not much to clean up. I mean, yeah, it's great. Alright, that was pretty cool. Got to see a little crawfish during my fireworks session. Pretty neat. And yeah, cool item.